Hello, Nicole Steckline here, technical agronomist for DeKalb and Asbro in Northeast Iowa, and I'm here to extend your knowledge on Xtend soybeans and XtendiMax herbicide with Vaporgrip technology. As we move into our spray season, there's a lot of hesitancy around dicamba and Xtend soybeans because of the possibility of volatility. So I wanted to take you through the science of dicamba and the evolution of dicamba herbicides to show you something that I'm going to set up this summer to demonstrate the safety of XtendiMax herbicide. So dicamba itself is a weak acid herbicide, much like glyphosate. And these weak acid herbicides are more stable when they are attached to a salt molecule. So in the dicamba world, when everybody wants to think about the volatility issues and damage that happened years ago, we're usually thinking about that Banville product, which was a DMA salt that was attached to the dicamba molecule. When they moved from the DMA salt to the DGA salt, moved to a product more like Clarity, they switched the salt type, and just by switching the type of salt, they were able to decrease the volatility by 80%. So Clarity is a DGA salt, as well as XtendiMax with Vaporgrip technology. The dicamba molecule with the DGA salt, when those are together, it's in a stable form. The issue is that when we add it to our spray solution in the tank, that salt can dissociate. So we just have the dicamba molecule and DJ salt separate. And then any of the free-floating hydrogens will combine with that dicamba molecule, and it will form dicamba acid. Dicamba acid is what's the volatility risk. So if we can keep this herbicide attached to the salt, we've decreased greatly our volatility risk. And that's what the Vaporgrip product, the Vaporgrip technology, is doing for it. What it does is it blocks these hydrogen ions from combining with the dicamba molecule, so there's no formation of dicamba acid. No formation of dicamba acid, no volatility. So I have planted these containers with straight Roundup beans, and following a field application of XtendiMax herbicide with Vaporgrip technology, these will be placed within the field to demonstrate the effectiveness of the Vaporgrip technology. So stay tuned later on this summer, and we'll show the results.